Hello, this is Red Barber. Yes? Yes, dear. No, dear. Yes, dear. Friends, they say it's a man's world, but don't you believe it. It's a woman's world, too. Women are not only doing a fine job in the home and in industry, they are also making substantial contributions to scientific work. In the General Electric Research Laboratory at Schenectady, you will find many women scientists doing interesting and important work. This is Dr. Katharine Blodgett, an authority on the properties of very thin coatings and films. Her work in this field has made her famous among scientists throughout the world. She is now working on the new science of semiconductors of electricity, important in the ever-expanding field of electronics. And here is the laboratory of Dr. Edith Boldebuck, who works in the rapidly advancing field of polymers. Polymers are chemicals composed of many parts, things like rubber, plastics, and enamel coatings. Right now, Dr. Boldebuck is working on the development of new insulating coatings for electrical wires. This young scientist, Miss Joyce Smith, works in the microanalytical laboratory. Her specialty is the analysis of tiny amounts of chemicals. Even a single drop can be made to reveal valuable information. Miss Sorensen's work often requires the use of this special balance for weighing very small objects. She can even weigh samples as light as an eyelash. Marie Lawton is a trained biologist. Right now, she is busy in research on the protection of certain foods, medicines, and other materials against bacterial attack. And here is Miss Joyce Smith, an assistant in the plastics laboratory. This is where they study the properties of new plastics and silicones, which are some of the most promising materials known to resist attack by high temperatures and corrosive chemicals. These are only a few of the General Electric women scientists. Well, of course, not every moment in a gal's life is devoted to science. But there are many women, both here in the Schenectady Research Laboratory and in other GE laboratories throughout the country, doing valuable work in every branch of science, day in and day out. Friends, we are proud of all of our women workers at GE, but we are especially proud of the accomplishments of our women scientists and their contributions to progress, because at General Electric, progress is our most important product.